Millo's timeless, minimalist design elegantly complements any interior. Wireless and light, it adapts to any lifestyle. It also features the industry's first blend consistency control. Just set the desired level of smoothness, and Millo will do the rest. Washing is a breeze. The blending lid and cups are dishwasher safe. The magnetic hook provides seamless charging, allowing you to keep your tabletop tidy. Millo is dust-resistant and waterproof. Its 3-level safety system is engineered to give you peace of mind. Millo is also designed to be shared. One base, a world of smoothies to fit every taste. Millo's mobile app will give you access to recipes shared by our community. It's powerful enough to blend raw vegetables and ice, and its robust blades were designed in Germany.
Hey Kickstarter, my name is Adam.
And I'm Ivaras. 5 years ago, with the help of Kickstarter community, we launched our first Millo blender. And the response was awesome.
And when I get ready for a trip now, it's the first thing I pack.
Millo quickly became a 5-star product.
We won Innovation Awards at the biggest consumer electronics shows from Berlin to Seattle.
We have won Global Design Awards. And Amazon even selected Millo as one of the top 20 most innovative products of 2021.
Our achievements soon gained the attention of many industry leaders.
You told us how amazed you were by Millo's portability, convenience and quietness. Now, we have taken it to a whole new level.
For a while now, we have been secretly working on MID technology. The new Millo has no motor in its blender base, so there is no spinning parts, no vibration and absolutely zero noise. The blades are turned by a powerful magnetic field generator. The generator is literally unbreakable, and we are so confident we cover it with 10 years warranty.
But this is just the beginning. We are already working on a range of accessories compatible with the same magnetic base.
Our mission is to innovate the kitchen industry. Imagine how sustainable our kitchens would become if we used only one drive to power all its appliances.
Join us. Back this project now and get your hands on this next generation Millo before anyone else.